Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, there is a small update which is related to Thambaram Air Force Station. So it's regarding standby candidate. So it's an important update. So please do watch this video and also please do subscribe to our channel and please do like and share this video. So friends, you all know that recently Thambaram Air Force Station final merit list was declared for the notification 1 and 2, and also even I have uploaded that merit list in our channel. So in that list we can see main candidate and standby candidate, right? So for both main candidate and standby candidate from Thambaram Air Force Station, they are sending final provisional call letter to both candidates, for standby candidate and for main candidate. So even though for standby candidate also you will be receiving the same provisional call letter you are seeing on the screen, which is, so now let's see more details about the call letter which is released from Thambaram Air Force Station. So it's regarding provisionally selected candidate under standby. So from Civilian Recruitment Cell, Air Force Station, Thambaram, Chennai, this letter is coming from this station, and also we can see a roll number and candidate name, and also we can see their selection for the post of HKS. It's provisionally selected, and also the first point is mentioned clearly: reference is made to your application for the post of HKS for which written examination was held during 4/12 October 2021 and skill test during 29th November 2021 to 02 December 2021. And the second point was clearly mentioned: you have been provisionally selected for the subject post as standby 1. However, so this letter is regarding standby, and also you have come as a main due to unwillingness of main candidate. If main candidate is having any problem with documentation or a problem with the medical, if he is unfit in medical, and if he is having any issue with the police verification, and if he is ignoring to attend the to submit his documentation, so at the time if he is like having any unwillingness, so definitely the post will be referring to standby candidate. So no need to worry. So there is a still hope for the standby candidate also. So for both they are conducting documentation part. So for both they are releasing provisionally selected letter to the both candidates, and also the offer of appointment will be issued subject to completion of medical fitness and verification of character and antecedents. And also in the third point we can see: you are therefore advised to report to the station before 01 February 2022. So before February 1st you have to report to the Air Force Station Tambaram, and you have to go ahead with your documentation set like education qualification and age proof in the sense date of birth, and your community caste certificate, and also your experience certificate, and also along with your documents you have to carry 10 copies of passport size photographs along with all the documents. You have to submit those, and definitely your documentation part will be done. And finally, if the main candidate is ignoring or is having any unwillingness like while doing documentation part, then definitely the chance will be referring to standby candidate. So hope for the best. And also people who are in the standby list, so you will be getting same provisionally selected letter to each candidate. And also still if anyone have doubt regarding this part, you can mention your doubts in the comment section, and also I'll try to reply for your comment. And no need to worry about this letter, and still hope for the best friends, and stay tuned, and I'll be coming with more updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great afternoon, friends.